The Kedushas Levi writes that when we light 36 candles here during Hanukkah, in Shemayim they do the same, corresponding to our actions. Isalusa del Tata, the awakening from above, that we do here causes an Italuta del Eila, an awakening from above. We light 36 candles, in Shemayim they light 36 candles, altogether that's 72. 72 corresponds to Hashem's name, one of Hashem's names that has 72 letters, and 72 is also Chesed. But we also add the Shamash. Every day we add one extra candle. That is the Shamash. Altogether 8 more. So total we light 44 candles. And in Shamayim they do the same. They light 44. So altogether we light 88 candles during Hanukkah. Says the Ari HaKodosh. That is alluded to in the version of the bracha. The nusach of the bracha of the Ari is a little different than what we say. We say lehadlik ner shel Chanukah, but the Ari used to say lehadlik ner Chanukah. Lehadlik starts with the letter Lamed, that is 30 in Gematria. Ner starts with the letter Nun, equals 50 in Gematria. And Chanukah starts with Ches, which is 8 in Gematria. 30 and 50 and 8, that is 88, to allude to the ultimate total number of candles which are lit down here and up in Shamayim. Based on that, some interpret a pasuk in Tehillim Kuf Yud as pasuk Kuf Yud, what the pasuk says. Natnu Reshayim Pach Li. The Reshaim laid a snare for me, but I didn't stray from your mitzvahs. Natnu Reshaim, the Reshaim gave me, the Reshaim, the Greeks, that impurified all the oil, they gave me Pach. Pach is Pei Ches, 88. They gave me 88 candles. Why? Because I never strayed away. I never went away from your mitzvahs. I held on to your Torah. I clung to your mitzvahs and Torah. Therefore, I got these 88 candles because of the wicked ones that came and destroyed the base of Mikdash. There's no pure oil. I got ultimately because of this, because I didn't left your Kodesh Baruch Hu, didn't leave your Torah and mitzvahs. I got 88 candles, 44 that we light down here, and 44 that they light upstairs in the Shamayim, corresponding to our 44 candles.